day you walked in my direction, so confident but unassumingly, and thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's been almost a month since we were living in the house, over a month that we arrived to the island. I think I'm getting used to things. Now we have a little bit of a routine. So we go to the gym in the mornings, then we work, we have lunch and keep working, and then keep working a little bit more. But we're now taking the time also to go visit stuff over the weekend. So we did a road trip. We are going on a road trip.
They say that love is never easy, but baby, I say we're living proof.
We went to see the Eder the Third. It's a boat. We're already calculating how we can get in the summer. So I am obsessed with abandoned stuff, and if they're abandoned in the sea, I just go nuts. So looks like people actually go in the summer, and we're gonna try to do that this summer, I think. And we also went to the northern part of the Paphos county in the island, and we visited some small towns and churches there. It was very nice. And actually, this time of the year, there are not so many tourists, so we were basically the only ones taking pictures around. We also went to the Tombs of the Kings, that it's actually just like 10 minutes away from our house, which is crazy to think of.
We're meant to be together. Reading me your vows every single day. I used to dread the mornings, but with you I'd rather.
And the rest of the time I'm spending creating my website. I actually had a little bit of a meltdown yesterday. I wanted to cry and I didn't want to have a website anymore. It was quite stressful, but I'm getting it done with a lot of help, but I'm gonna have a website. And so for the launch of the website, I was thinking that I'm creating obviously a mailing list so I can notify everyone interested in joining the community when new patterns drop, or for any like surprise bundles or discount codes or things like that. So I'm creating one exclusive pattern. I realized that I wanted to have more striped pillows. I still don't have mine that are supposed to be arriving this week from Estonia, and I couldn't wait anymore. So I'm doing on the side a striped pillow with these two colors that I'm obsessed with. I found a yarn shop in the old town on the weekend, and and they have a lot of yarns that I liked. So I just started doing this striped pattern for a pillowcase cover, and I'm gonna give away that pattern for free for the website launch and so on. In the meantime, I'm also working on the red hot chili sweater design. I'm really happy about this one, but I'm not sure I'm convinced about the bottom part. Anyway, this is a struggle that I will deal with later today. So yeah, I'm also recording some content, video tutorials especially for this sweater. So my days are basically either prepping the website, writing patterns, recording content, taking pictures, and so on. And finally, the weather is a little bit better. Probably you can see it's quite warm today. I went to the gym in shorts and I'm really happy. I think it's gonna rain still a little bit, but it's getting better. So I'm really hopeful to start using the pool soon.
A few moments later.
We are also having our neighbors over this week. They're landscapers, so we're gonna show them how our terrace and the front patio look like, and maybe they can help us maybe with some ideas or some contacts and how we can close it up a little bit. So that's gonna be probably another vlog to renovate the outdoor spaces. But focusing on what we actually achieved so far is the kitchen.
I love to love you, I do.
This is our kitchen now. It's finally blue and white. You know, I feel like food tastes so much better now with that kitchen. Everything is just better with that kitchen, I promise. We do want to get the outdoor spaces ready. We need to buy some kind of like sun blocker or a pergola or however you call it, or like a parasol for that space over there. So it's not that hot and we can actually use it. Hopefully, in the next couple of days, the weather starts getting a bit more stable so we can get the whole set out and we can start having dinners outside. And we also have a grill that we need to clean and make sure that it can be used. And I really want to start grilling in the nights. We also had a little bit of a scare with Karu. She ran away twice now. She was just living her best life in the neighbor's house. Then she went to the pool. She's been around the neighborhood basically, and it was quite scary because she's not used to be outside. We're a little bit scared that she didn't know how to react with the car. And also, she doesn't know how to come back home yet. She doesn't know the neighborhood. So we are taking her out on walks and we bought her an air tag. So now if she runs away, I'm going to be able to track her at least. But the issue with Karu is that sometimes when she's outside, she gets really scared and really spooked. So it's quite tricky to pick her up or get her to listen to you. So yeah, that's been fun. But yeah, so far, like, life is very quiet. I guess the only worry that we have is with the paperwork. I have my immigration appointment in 8-9 days, and we have to fill a lot of documents and bring a lot of paperwork, and it's all a bit messy. Like, every person we ask, they tell us a different thing. The websites are not very clear with the documents, and nowhere it says what exactly we need to bring. So yeah, we're gonna just bring everything. Wish me luck. I hate going to this kind of appointments. That's one of the most stressful things that I have at the moment. The other one, obviously the website. And also how to work on my own. I've always been used to working in a team, and now that I'm on my own and I don't have anyone to share the struggles, sometimes it feels very lonely, and at the same time I'm quite lost. Like, what is the next step? Is this strategy okay for the business? How can I increase sales for the patterns? Or how can I don't know, expand the portfolio, or should I be focusing on this instead of that? I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. So I have a lot of chats with ChatGPT, not gonna lie. So yeah, life has been quiet. Just wanted to, I guess, close this first series of relocating to Cyprus with the final vlog, just letting you know that we are alive, everything's good. I'm finally feeling a bit better with the house. It's looking much better than it was before. And things are getting back to a routine. Now we know what we're doing, at least every day. And yeah, I'm excited about this year here, or however long we stay. I'm excited to see how the summer looks like and what we do, how we grow both our businesses, and how this sweater comes to life. I'm debating whether I should unravel or not. But at the same time, I mean, I've been trying it on and it does feel comfy. I like how it looks. So yeah, stay tuned to my socials. I will probably post something about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Thank you again for being there and listening to me. Let me know in the comments if there is anything that you would like to know more about. I was thinking of doing like a knitting diaries series or something like that to show you how everything looks in the background. Just bring you along to knit with me in my endless knitting sessions. Let me know if that would be something that you would be interested in, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!